Hello, wonderful Education 20 students. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the TPE, Teacher Performance Expectations. These are standards which teachers are evaluated on through their career. As a first-year teacher, you will be evaluated by a principal or administrator on how these show up in your classrooms. You will see that the purpose of the standards is to help you deliver quality, equitable, structured, and efficient education to all your students. While you will analyze these deeper this semester, let's take a look at TPE 1 through 3. TPE 1, engaging and supporting all students in learning. TPE 1 is focused on engaging and supporting all learners. This tends to look like knowing your students, creating connections between school and the real world, and implementing supports that they need. TPE 2 is creating and maintaining effective environments for student learning. This boils down to routines and behavior management to promote safe and just classrooms. TPE 3, understanding and organizing subject matter for student learning. TPE 3 focuses on understanding and organizing subject matter. Sure, you know your short vowels, but how will you introduce it to your first graders? What will they need to do to learn these sounds and letters? While you may be given a district pacing guide for instruction, what needs to be adjusted for the needs of the students in the room? These three expectations work together. You may notice overlap, and that's okay. Our goal is to build familiarity and be able to notice these in action during your fieldwork.